Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome back to our channel. It's Authentic right here. In this particular video we'll be talking about this project called Xeno network right here. Okay, hope you guys can see this. So this is one of the most tested and most trusted layer 1 crypto projects that you should not afford to miss. So this particular airdrop is under layer 1 blockchain and it is very underfarmed, which really means that it is going to be very massive, right? It is going to really worth it, right? So if you know you have not started farming Xeno network, then do well to get started immediately after watching this video, because I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular project in the description section and comment section of this particular project. So of this particular video, right, you get started immediately after watching, right? So this particular project is very lucrative, and like I said, it is very underfarmed. A lot of people don't know about this project, thereby making the token very scarce and adding value wherever they are going to list in the market, right? So now without wasting much further ado, let's just get it done right away. So there are two ways to farm this particular project. You can farm Xeno through the Telegram mini app, or you can farm it through the app on App Store, either Play Store or App Store, wherever you have it, right? So if you wish, you can be farming from the boat, but it's the same thing. This is what you have to do. You download Xeno network from Play Store, right, or App Store, anyone. Then you set up your account. Then you can also head straight to your Telegram and search for Xeno, all right? Then you also set it up as well. Make sure you are using the same email address for the boat, all right? So once you have joined this project, download the app and started mining, all you have to do is to just make sure that every 24 hours you come and turn on this button right here. Then it will start mining for you automatically. So you guys should really know how all this layer 1 project really works, right? So, and if you can see streaks right here, if you can be able to maintain 7 days, you'll be getting 11 pieces, 14 days 22, 28 days 44, and so on and so forth, right? So this is just additional bonus right here. So if you guys can see, you will see I'm mining at the rate of 0.167 per hour right here, to show you guys how lucrative this particular coin is. Okay, so now this is the interface right here. If you really want to invite your family and friends or anybody to the project, you tap to this particular button, copy the invite link and start sharing it to your people, right? The more people that join through you and active mining, the more your mining rate increases, right? So this is for the mining session, and this is the main dashboard right here. You can just scroll up and down, just twerk around. You can go through their white paper to see what the project is all about, like go through the roadmap so that you will know more about this project. All right, it is definitely going to worth it. So if you come to this place that I wrote task, which is the next button right here, you will see some varieties of tasks that you can perform right here. So every hour you come here and spin the wheel to win fortunes, right? You guys can see you can win up to 30 Xeno, right? So every hour you just have to come here and click on this spin now, then it will spin the wheel for you automatically. Wherever it lands is what you get, right? I've already spinned it, that's why I cannot be able to do that again. So if I click on it right away, you guys will see what will pop up. Beautiful. Please wait 1 hour before coming back, because I've already spent it just right now. So every hour, prioritize this particular session as well to earn more Xeno tokens, right? So you can see some other tasks that you can perform to earn more, right? So perform this Twitter task, add up, follow them on Twitter, and so on and so forth. So it is because I've performed a lot of them, that's why I'm just having few right here. Okay, your progress, complete the task below, right? So like I said, I've performed a lot and I just have these 3 to go. That is just that. So do well to perform all available tasks to earn more Xeno tokens, right? So if you click on this setting button right here, this is where you'll be setting up your details. This particular one that says personal information, you tap on it, then you put your correct details. Just make sure you are using your correct details, because along the line they may introduce some sort of verification, and if your details are not matching, then you have issue along the line. Okay, so use all your correct details, and you can copy your invite code right here. If you want to change your password, do that here. Read the terms and conditions, the privacy policy. If you want to contact the support team, you can do that right here. Or if you want to log out, you can log out right here. So that is just for the setting session, and you can be able to change your avatar either from your avatar to your real image or whatever. So, and you can do well to check them on their socials right here. You can check them on their socials. Make sure you are following them. So now let's come to this place that I wrote leaderboard. Then I will show you guys what I really mean by telling you guys that this particular project is very underfarmed, right? So you click on leaderboard right here. Then you wait for it to set up. Let's wait for the leaderboard to refresh. Beautiful, guys. So you guys can see the top #1 in the world just have only 55,000 Xeno tokens. You guys can see that only 55,000, to show you guys that this is very lucrative, and it is very it's definitely going to worth it whenever they go mainnet or whenever they list it up. You guys can see this is the leaderboard top 20 right here, and even top 20 is having as low as 12,000 right here. So do well to jump on this project immediately and make sure you are taking it very serious, right? So if you check the number of people that are on this project, is just only 149,468 people only, and out of these particular people, only 15,361 are active miner as at the time of making this video, right? So there is a lot of potentials in this project that you can't afford to miss. All right, so this is just the leaderboard right here, and I know this particular person, Damri Concept, is among the top 10 miners in this particular project. So we are in some core groups, we are in some crypto channels as well. Okay, so and that is just for this particular dashboard. So when you come to this place that they wrote leaderboard, do well to check this referral session. There's something you have to do here. Click on referral right here, where you will be seeing the number of people that you have already invited in this project. Okay, so let me still wait for it to load up as well. Let me wait for it to load up. Beautiful. So this particular place that they wrote referrals, this is where you'll be seeing the number of people that you have invited right here. Okay, as you guys can see, I've already invited 20 people right here, and out of these 20 people, I have only 1 or 2 people actively mining. Okay, hope you guys can see. That's why they say many are called, but only few are chosen, right? So this is what you do every 24 hours. You come to this particular session and click on buzz all. Then you remind all your downlines to start mining. All right, instead of you to be reminding them separately, you just tap on this button and remind all of them at the same time. Then all of them will come back and start mining. All right, so that is just that for this particular session, which is the referral base right here. Do well to utilize all these potentials and take this project very serious. Okay, so that is just that, and I will still get you guys updated whenever there is a latest update right here. And one of the latest updates right here is that this particular coin is going to be listing anytime soon. So let's check their official handle on Twitter. Sorry guys, let's check their official handle on Twitter. There's an update there that I really want us to reflect on, so that you guys will know that we don't really have much time right here. You just have to get started immediately and start mining. So this post was made 3 days ago, and if you check, you can see Xeno Network. This is their official Twitter handle. Okay, so if you click on show more, then we'll wait for them. No, not this one, this particular one. Okay, yeah, it was still made 3 days ago. Okay, so if you click on it, then we read in part as we work on our products and upcoming Xeno launch. Hope you guys saw that. This is what you should know about Xeno. Xeno isn't just a token, it's the heartbeat of the Xeno network ecosystem, as both a native protocol token and an application token. Xeno fuels transactions, powers utilities, and unlocks endless possibilities within our decentralized landscape. Get ready for a future Xeno drives the next waves of Web3 innovation. So they say you should get ready for a future where Xeno will drive the next wave of Web3 innovations. Note, we haven't launched, and the Xeno is currently not traded in any exchange. Stay tuned for official announcements. So we are waiting for official announcements anytime soon from these particular people. So to show you guys that this particular project will possibly be listing in Q2 or Q3 of this particular 2025, right? So just do well to jump on it immediately after watching this video. Like I said, I'll be leaving the link to this particular session in the description section, and I'll be leaving the link to this particular project in the description section and comment section of this video. So do well to jump on it immediately and start taking it very serious. Okay, so and that is just that. Do well to utilize all the tricks and hacks that I show you guys to earn more in this particular project. Okay, so that is just that. Until I come your way next time, stay safe, keep winning, and remain blessed. Bye for now.